Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're conquering one of the trickiest parts of workplace communication, talking about priorities. Our method today is a fluency power-up. It's called the double loop. You'll hear the sentence, repeat it slowly with your friend, hear it again, and then repeat it normally. Let's crush this. And while you're here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a lesson. Get ready, let's jump right in. What's the main priority today?
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 This task is super urgent.
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 We must prioritize client calls.
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 Hold off on that report.
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 I need a clear action plan.
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 I'll check the schedule before planning.
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 What do you think should come first?
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 I always update the team after finishing tasks.
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 That can wait until tomorrow.
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 The deadline is non-negotiable.
The deadline is non-negotiable.
The deadline is non-negotiable.
The deadline is non-negotiable.
Can you help me focus on the main task?
Can you help me focus on the main task?
Can you help me focus on the main task?
Can you help me focus on the main task?
Let's put urgent emails at the top.
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 This is low on the list.
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 Let's tackle the biggest issues.
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 Please rank these tasks.
Please rank these tasks.
Please rank these tasks.
Please rank these tasks.
We need to reassess our focus.
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 What if we delay this?
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 Complete this by end of day.
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 Fantastic work. Practice makes perfect. Now you know how to politely and clearly manage your workload. We'll see you in the next Fluency Power-Up session. Keep practicing and keep smiling.